Hello dear students, let us discuss two questions from Brain Teaser. First, let us do question number 4. It says evaluate. So we need to evaluate 3 into 16 raised to the power 3 by 4. So we can write this as 3 into, now you know that 16 is 2 raised to the power 4. Now this is raised to the power 3 by 4. We know that a raised to the power m raised to the power n is a raised to the power m into n. We will be applying it here. So this gives us 3 into 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 by 4. Simplify, you get 3 into 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 3 into 8 is 24. Simple. Okay, let us do now the second part. 2 into 27 raised to the power minus 2 by 3. So that gives us 2 into, how do you write 27? Yes, it is 3 cube. So raised to the power minus 2 by 3. We are using the same law. 3 into, this gives us 3 into minus 2 by 3. Please write down the laws in the reason. So a raised to the power m raised to the power n is a raised to the power mn. So this is equal to 2 into, now this gets cancelled, 3 raised to the power minus 2, and 3 raised to the power minus 2 we can write it as 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, because we know that a raised to the power minus m is 1 upon a raised to the power m. So the final answer to this question is 2 upon 9. Okay, so let us move on to the third part. Third part says we need to evaluate 2 into 9 raised to the power 3 by 2 into 9 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Observe carefully. So 2 into, you can write 9 as 3 square. So this raised to the power 3 by 2. Same thing here. So this is equal to 2 into, this is 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Simplify, 3 raised to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we get 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power minus 1. This is 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 minus 1. So this gives us 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. That is 9, 2s are 18. Please write down the laws which you have used over here. Here we have used one law, a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. Another which we have used here is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n, right? So we need to write down the laws of exponents in the reason. Okay, so this is question number 4. So let us now quickly do question number 5 also. So question number 5 is also, we need to find the value. So find the value of, it is very simple, 5 square plus 12 square and then whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Very simple. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144 and raised to the power 1 by 2. 25 plus 144 is 169 raised to the power 1 by 2. That basically we need to find square root of 169. Please remember it is not plus minus 13. Okay. Now I don't want to see this error. This is square root of 169. It is positive square root. So we get the answer as 13. Okay. So this is how we have done now question number 5. Keep practicing such questions because this chapter requires a lot of practice.